Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm gonna show you my Rakhi makeup, hair and outfit. So if you're interested then keep on watching. I will be starting off with a little bit of color correction, and for that I'm using the MeNow Pro Cream Contour palette. So this particular palette is very inexpensive and I got it from Amazon. You can easily get it. First of all, I was a little bit skeptical about this palette as it was very inexpensive, but trust me you guys, this works so beautiful on the skin and I didn't really break out after using this particular product, so you can easily get it and use it. For the foundation, I'm using the Nykaa SKINgenius foundation in the shade 02. So this is a very lightweight foundation, and for this look I wanted a dewy looking skin, so that is why I chose this foundation. So this is a very beautiful foundation, perfect for daily wear, so you can easily use it if you want to get a dewy looking base. So I am just putting small dots on the face and then I am blending it with a damn beauty blender. So for this look I don't want a very full coverage finish, so that is why I went on with only one pump. Next I am using the darkest most shade from the palette and I am using it to cream contour my face. Here I am contouring a little bit and not too much. I will be uploading a base routine video very soon. There I will be showing you how I contour my face, and for this look I am keeping it quite low. So here I am applying it with a brush and then I am blending it with a beauty blender so that everything looks seamless. Next, moving on to brows, I am using the Wet n Wild Mega Glow Brow Kit. So this particular product is beautiful and anybody can use it. It has a darker brown shade, a lighter brown shade, as well as a setting gel. So it's perfect for beginners as well as professional makeup artists. Now that our brows look sculpted, let's move on to eyes, and for that I'm using this eyeshadow palette from Revlon and I'm using the darkest brown shade, and I'm using it on the outer crease and I'm blending it inwards using a fluffy blending brush. So this is my transition shade and I'm using it to contour my eyes as well. Next I'm taking this Glam Glow MANISH MALHOTRA palette and I'm taking the dark brown shade from the palette and I will be blending it with the darkest brown that we have already put. So this two particular combination looks beautiful on the crease and you need to make sure that you are blending it seamlessly. Now to darken the outer corner a little more, I am taking the rusty shade from the palette and I am putting it only on the outer edge of my eyes to give it some depth. Coming to the most exciting part of the eye makeup, I am using this beautiful champagne rose gold shimmer shade from the palette and I'm putting it on the center of my lid and I'm dragging it into the inner corner. So this particular shade is one of my favorite and it looks so pretty. It looks pretty on the camera as well. For the lower lash line, I am again taking the burgundy shade from the palette and I'm patting it on the outer edge of my eyes and then I am blending it along. And after that I will be using the glittery rose gold shade and I am using it on top of the burgundy shade and I will be dragging it inwards to the inner corner so that it looks effortless. For the lashes, I'm using the Maybelline Colossal Mascara, and this is the waterproof version, so it will help to hold the lashes even better. And I am coating my lashes throughout, starting from the very root, and then I am taking it upwards so that each and every hair gets coated evenly. For the blush, I'm taking the peachy shade from the MANISH MALHOTRA palette, and I'm putting it on the apples of my cheek, and I will also put it on top of my nose. It gives a more refreshing and youthful look. Moving on to highlighter, I'm using the Miss Claire Illuminator as an highlighter, as I wanted a wet within glow kind of a look. So this is a liquid highlighter and it works perfect for this purpose. Just keep in mind that this is a blinding highlighter, so you just need a little bit and you are good to go. Also, this dries out pretty fast, so you need to work really fast. I'm taking the same highlighter to highlight my inner corner to give it a fresh look. Okay, for the lips, I'm going a little bit bold, but you can easily go with a nude shade if you want. But as this is a festive look, I always go for a bold lip. And here I'm lining my lips with the Incolor lip pencil, and this is in the shade Dark Wine. And for the lipstick, I am using the Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade 02 Soft Wine. So this is a very beautiful wine shade, and it really complements my skin tone. So if you are somewhat similar to my skin tone, then this is gonna look gorgeous on you. And that's all for the makeup. Moving on to jewelry, I'm using this big silver earrings, and I don't really remember from where I got it, but you can easily find this kind of earrings from any online store or in your locality. And then I'm using this silver ring. Again, you can find this in a lot of places, so you can easily get your hands on this. And that's the finished look, you guys. I absolutely fell in love the way this makeup turned out, and I haven't really done a traditional look from a while now, so I really enjoyed filming this video, and I hope that you like it too. So if you guys end up recreating this look, don't forget to come to my Instagram and tell me. I would be really happy to see your recreations. Also, you can pair this up with any nude lipstick if you want. And that's it from my side. I really hope that you enjoy your Raksha Bandhan, enjoy with your family, spend some time with your family, and have a nice day.
So that's it for today's video, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed, and if you end up recreating this look right here, then don't forget to come to my Instagram and tag me. I would be really happy to see your recreations. And if you like this one, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell notification to get notified every time I come up with a new video. You can always follow me on Instagram, as I'm totally active there. And till then, stay safe, stay happy, stay positive. I will see you guys on my next one.